In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history in Chrome. If you want to clear out the websites you've visited and keep your browsing a little more private, Chrome makes it very simple. This process is quick and it works similarly whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, with just a small difference in where to find the menu. To begin, open the Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're in the app itself and not in another browser, since these settings are specific to Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look for the three-dot menu icon. On Android, you'll usually find it in the top right corner of the screen. On iPhone, it's typically located in the bottom right corner. Tap that menu to open Chrome's options. From the menu, choose the option called Delete Browsing Data. If you're on iPhone, this may appear as Clear Browsing Data instead. These labels mean essentially the same thing, so just tap the one you see on your device. Next, you'll be asked to select a time range. This lets you decide how much history you want to remove. If you want to erase everything, choose all time. If you only want to clear recent activity, you could choose a shorter range, but for a full cleanup, all time is the best option. After that, check that there's a check mark next to browsing history. This is important because Chrome can also remove other types of data such as cookies, cached images, or saved site information. If your goal is specifically to delete your browsing history, make sure browsing history is selected before moving on. When you're ready, tap Delete Data. Chrome may ask you to confirm your choice depending on your device. If that happens, go ahead and confirm to complete the deletion. And that's it. Your browsing history in Chrome will be cleared based on the time range you selected. As a quick tip, deleting browsing history can help protect your privacy on a shared device, but it won't necessarily sign you out of websites or remove every trace of activity from synced accounts unless those options are also selected. So it's always a good idea to read the options carefully before tapping the final button. Now you know how to delete browsing history in Chrome quickly and safely from your phone.